Hi guys, so I do this every time I buy Costco chicken. I don't know, am I the only one who's guilty of this? I just can't buy Costco chicken and just start munching. No, I have to season it like a typical African that I am, okay? Because I just feel the chicken is tasteless. But thanks to Costco, the chicken always comes in handy because anytime I want to grab something to eat or give the kids something to eat and there's no meat, I can quickly there's no time to quickly make meat or whatever, or we are out of meat, I just quickly go there and grab some. Right? However, I can never buy Costco chicken without seasoning it. So every time I buy Costco chicken, I always do this, and which is add some seasoning, right? To make it taste way better. Because I just think it's too plain. Like it's just too plain in the mouth. Okay? So watch me today as I season the Costco chicken that I just got. I'll season it and then cut it into bits and put it back in the bag so it can have more, yummy, and then more spice. Exactly. Have more spice and then good taste. Then it will be perfect for me. So I just want you guys to join me today as I season this. All right. So because I want the seasoning to go really inside the chicken properly, I'm going to give it a cut here so that it can go in properly. I just feel they usually just put the chicken, they throw it in the oven without even seasoning. Like that's it. No salt, no nothing, So that's why I always do this. Okay. Okay, so let's give it a big cut. Okay. So it can be open, right? Open to accept all the seasoning, to give it more life, more deliciousness. All right, so now I'm going to prepare the seasoning for the chicken. Okay, so I have my chili powder. Guys, yes, scream. I love spice. No apology. I have my paprika is almost finished. I'll just pour the remaining one. Paprika. And some salt, of course, because there's no salt. And I'm going to add, I don't know, can you see properly? Okay, and then I'm going to add 1 bouillon cube. Okay. That's the only way I can enjoy the chicken. And I'm not alone on this, guys. Even the kids, they agree with me. They like when I give them, though I don't, but anytime they taste it, they always know that, hey, mom hasn't added her secret spice, to make it really delicious. So here we go. We have that. And then today I'm going to be adding some suya spice. Okay. So just mix it. I'm also almost out of it. So I added some Nigerian suya spice to it to make it more delicious. Perfect. And here we go, my favorite cooking oil, which is olive oil. Okay, just gonna mix everything together first before introducing the olive oil. Okay. Perfect. And now the oven is on already to make the whole process fast. Okay, so let's start with the back. Let's flip it over like this. And then boom. Boom. Like it's just plain without this, guys. It's just plain. I'm gonna rub it in generously. I like using my hands. Some people like using gloves, but I just like using my hands. It makes me more in control. Just gonna trust me, guys. The difference is clear. Like big difference, very big difference. Okay, so I'm going to flip like so. No, let me do it like this. Perfect. Like this. Have to be generous. Okay. Make sure it touches every part of the chicken for that perfect result. Am I the only one who does this? Like, when you go get your Costco chicken, do you do the same thing like me? Am I the only one guilty of this? No disrespect, Costco, just that the chicken doesn't satisfy my taste buds, so I just have to make it, you know, the way I want it. Okay, so it's all set. I'm gonna wash my hands. Okay. All right, so now it's time to throw it in the oven. Now it's ready. This is how it's supposed to be, not plain. Okay, I'm gonna throw it in the oven right now. And then within the next 15-20 minutes, it should be ready. And I'll show you what it looks like once it's ready. So guys, this is what it looks like after grilling. You see? I grilled it very well to what I like. Now it's all shrinked and then it's looking really, really grilled, okay? This is exactly how I love my chicken. So what I do, I just cut it into different sizes for easy use, okay? So you see? Delicious. I put it back into the bag. But now it will be cut up, not just the way it was before, right? Now it tastes way better. Way better. Okay. Now it's just perfect. Like seriously, it tastes so good. So good. You will never believe it's Costco's chicken. Never. Because it tastes really, really good because the seasoning went way inside. Okay, let me flip it. See? All set. I'm just gonna zip lock. My Costco chicken is ready. But this time, it tastes a lot better. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you on my next video. Bye.